Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Delphina and I'm super excited returning back to you. So today I'm with a video of a Ghanaian. In his word, he said, Ghana is finished if Igbo king leaves. Wow, this one hit too. This one hit the nail on the head. Because I wasn't expecting this coming from a Ghanaian mouth. Not at all. Not at all. Even in my dream, if I was told that this word would come out of a Ghanaian mouth, I would be like, oh no. Well, the proof is not far from me. Of course, I have the videos, and that's what we're about to check out, guys. So let's get right into it, and I'll be right back.
Ladies and gentlemen, good evening, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you find this video. The name is Michael Agbatokol Babwanejes, aka Barrister. Today, I'll be diving into the achievement of His Royal Majesty, Dr. Chukwudi, the Igbo King of Ghana. To be frank, we are really blessed to have that man in this country. Therefore, Operation Nigerian Igbo'S must stay, or Nigerian must stay in Ghana. Ladies and gentlemen, it's very funny to the extent that there are some people, or let's say some TikTokers or journalists, who do not want to investigate about this man or his achievement and his goals in this country before putting out information across the world. Let me shock you by saying this thing. If we don't know, or we Ghanaians, if care is not taken and we do this mistake by deporting Nigerians or deporting His Royal Majesty Dr. Chukwudi back to Nigeria, our economy will crumble. Our economy will be in a state of higgledy-piggledy. Our economy will be the worst economy in the West Africa land. Ask me why. This is the reason why. This man is the CEO of Chipeto Group Companies in Ghana. Chipeto Group Companies in Ghana. To be frank, that group, that company comprises of a lot of company under. He is the CEO. And this support, the support that this man is rendering to this country, our country, Ghana, and the neighboring country, to be frank, I applaud the man. I applaud the man. The man is a multi-millionaire, a business tycoon. He's one of the Pantagruelian business tycoon in this country called Ghana. As I'm talking to you right now. Seriously. There are some secrets when you don't know her. You ask yourself, why is it that our leaders are not talking about this man? Why is it that our kings, most of them are not voicing about this man, that he should leave the country? They know that those are the people boosting the economy of the country. So we that are on social media ranting or in the name of protesting, we are going to protest, we are going to demonstrate. You may demonstrate too, but you left with the government to take that decision. Me and you, we have voted, yes. But the rest of the decisions are not lying between me and you. That man is the CEO of Chipeto Group Companies in Ghana. They are responsible of importing and exporting domestic materials to supermarkets and neighboring countries in this country. That man supplies things to you people, domestic materials to you people in this country, and also supply to the neighboring countries in this country. And you have such man, and you want to raise an allegation against him just because he made a mistake by saying that he bought a land which he has not bought. It's going to be fire. To be frank, on the 19th of July 2025, there will be war in heaven and it will be manifested in the physical realm. You understand that power jump power, the laser power must bow. Operation Nigerian must stay. Ladies and gentlemen, let me use this story before we go into Mr. Dr. Chukwudi's achievement in this country. There was this school that they don't have water. The students, the classroom bastards, Ghana to rescue those people. You heard the story in this country. He's a Nigerian, he's not a Ghanaian. He made sure they have water supply. He made sure the classroom is in better form. Build classroom for you people. None of the journalists were able to voice out this achievement in this country by a Nigerian. And you want to tell them that they should leave the country. Let me tell you, the Ghana must go that you people have been saying that Nigerians sacked the Ghanaians back in the 90s. Let me tell you, Ghana was the first country that sacked Nigerians first. Do your research and get your facts very well. Google it. Ghana was the first country that sacked Nigerians out of Ghana. That was the retaliation of Ghana must go. Let's cease fire. His Royal Majesty, Dr. Chukwudi, he is the CEO of Chibeto Transport Limited in Ghana. You have never heard about it. He is the one providing the transport up and down that you have been taking. Some of you Ghanaians are even working under that man, but you never knew him. And you want to sack those people. You want to be jobless in this country. A country where providing job for the youth is very difficult. Somebody that have tried to provide job for people and you want to sack it. Did you see any of his company members bragging around that the Nigeria must go? There are people that are not doing it too. It's only you people that are on social media having a political caucus that they are paying some of you from Nigerian. Me, those people calling me from Nigerian in order to receive their money, I don't have time for you people. Nobody is paying me. So because of that, I won't cease by saying the truth. He is the CEO of Chibet Transport Limited, providing transport for you people in this country. You have been boarding his cars, but you never knew. That man is the Chibet Mother Care Limited. They are responsible of providing materials to the Ghana Health Service. Do your research. They work with Ghana Health Service in this country. That man's company is the one supplying diapers and a lot of baby scare things. Some of you that have gone to the hospital, your wives are in the hospital giving birth right now. They work with Ghana Health Service in this country. That man's company is the one supplying diapers and a lot of baby scare things. Some of you that have gone to the hospital, your wives are in the hospital giving birth right now. They are using that man's material that he has supplied to the hospitals. They are dealing with them that they are using to take care of your children. Today, you two, you come and stand on social media writing comments and be insulting the man, insulting Nigerians. Meanwhile, they are making the economy to boost for you people. Ask yourself why Donald Trump couldn't sack Elon Musk. Why he didn't deport Elon Musk? Just because he's the panacea of their economy. If you sack that man, the workers will protest against you guys. Protest against you people. Listen very attentively. He's the CEO again of Chibet Mother Care Limited, providing services, rendering services to Ghana Health Service, hospitals in this country. Why do you think that presidents recognize him? His Excellency, the past president, Kufuor recognized him, Bawumia recognized him, Nana-Addo recognized him, Mahama recognized him. The kings or the chiefs we have in this country recognize that man. Do you think it is easy for them to do your bidding just because of your stomach direction? Because of the 2,000, 3,000 you have been getting from some of the Nigerian caucus that are paying you people to tarnish the image of the man, and some of the Ghanaian politicians that are backing you people? Nah, it is not far. We are all human beings living in Africa. Ghana was the first country that deported Nigerians and they retaliated. That was the Ghana must go. Ceasefire. That man, the supplies to Ghana Health Care Service and other companies in this country. Another company of that man is Chibet Farms. They operate in farming and agro production, and they supply crops. Listen very attentively. They supply crops and livestock for food and commercial uses in Ghana. Sack him if you get job to do. Sack Chukodi and see if you get job to do in this country. The man is one of the stanch holding this economy, providing job for the youth. Over 5,000 youth in this country are working in this man's company, different dimensions of company. You never knew that company belonged to Nigerians. You play keke. You think if you are protesting against them on the 19th that they should leave and they gradually leave this country, do you think they will leave without their company? Go and ask MTN, go and ask Vodafone, go and ask Tigo Airtel or Airtel Tigo. Go and ask them who provide them infrastructure. Is this man? His company is also part of the people that provide them infrastructure. This man is boosting your economy, and what you could do is to hold a meeting on TikTok, ranting all over, and you don't know that you are working in some of his companies. Why do you think that man can make a way straight to the presidency, to go to the president and be having meeting with the president? Do you think it is easy just because he has some money? Do you think it is easy to make an appointment with the president without doing a background or thorough checkup? Why do you think his former president before congratulated him? Why do you think Baumia and all those people visited him during his festival? Do you know the help that man has been rendering to the people in this country? And you have the temerity, the impetus to have meeting and to be typing comments that are irrelevant and be using words against people just because they are telling you the truth. If you think that man will live in this country, you will protest and they will grant your wish for that man to be deported. Be ready to be jobless in this country. Many Ghanaians that are in diaspora, they don't like investing in Ghana. They have invested in abroad. Ask them, those that are under the sound of my voice, those that are watching me from US, America, wherever, whatsoever you are watching me, they don't like investing in their own country. Papa na yen for so, yen na yen himself yen for so. Na mo fa de enche nipa. Na mo be saki Nigerians. Just because of allegation things that your own country people are doing. Look at our youth. Look at we the youth in this country. Very jobless. We have not turned into something. Tramadol, red, everywhere. Those are the things we promote. And we want to sack very industrial, an industrial man with his people away. That's because of greedy and political achievement. Let me continue with his achievement or his company in this country. His Royal Majesty, Dr. Chukodi, the Igbo King of Ghana, of Nigerians community in this country. He is the CEO of Chibet Aluminium Company. They manufactures roofing sheet in this company and frame, and also provide construction materials to companies in this country. The man, I repeat again, is one of the Pantagonian business tycoon in this country. You can't do away with that man. Ask your president. Ask Baumia. Ask General Mosquito. Ask Mr. Sedun Ketia. Ask those people. Ask. Again, he's the CEO of West Coast Entertainment. The CEO of West Coast Entertainment. They are event planners production. They are, oh my God. Why do you you think that man gave award to Captain Smart? They deal with media too. You play with that man, you will suffer in this country. You will beg for food in this country. You will be jobless in this country. Protest and sack them. I repeat before man and God, on the 19th July 2025, some of you will regret protesting against Nigerians in this country. If there is God in heaven watching all of us, some of you will regret dearly protesting against them. That's because of greedy and some kind of things from the 90s that you people have carried on your mind. How can we grow with such mentality that Igbos are wicked, Igbos are evil, Igbos are this and that? So because of that, they are supposed to be killed, they are supposed to be devastated and decimated. Before we have forgot what service or the service that they are rendering to us. Go to US and go to some countries, some foreign countries. You know how they recognize them. I learned recently that they said they have even scheduled a date like June, this past June, to celebrate Igbo'S at abroad. There are some Ghanaians that have property at abroad. Nobody have sacked you to raise your property here. Oh dear bro. Do you know the achievement or the services that man is rendering to this country? Demonstrate and go to the parliament and go and tell them that, oh, they should sack Nigerians. Then you will hear words. You will hear his achievement. I've given you 6 achievements of the man. After this recording, I'll pass through it again for you to understand that that man is a very special man, a tycoon, a business guru in this country, who is one of the stanch of this country, who is holding firmly the economy of this country. Try, and you will regret ever. Try. Hold TikTok live. If you like, share my videos. I want everybody to share my videos. Let it reach the enemy's camp. Those in Nigeria paying people over here in order to protest, in order to do evil things. Those Nigerians that are making videos saying evil things about their own countrymen, if they deport them to come to Nigeria, you will look for job for them. At the funto. C'est quoi ça la même? C'est quel pays ça la même? Quelqu'un qui est là vous aide. Vous êtes là fait par la main l'homme là. Amma ya pas comme le mien, il est très bon par la main. Ni pas au comme nous. Nous n'est pas des cons. Nous peut ça nous sakino. What kind of human behavior is this? A very wicked behavior that we are showing in this social media. Please and please, let us do the right thing in this country. That man is the CEO of Spark West Telecommunication Infrastructures. They work with MTN, Telecel, and Tigo. That is the man.
I know you'll be waiting for my feedback after watching the video, right? Yeah, you are interested in knowing what I have to say, but to be sincere, I'm speechless. I'm very, very speechless. This is a two-way thing, guys. It's a two-way thing. It's either he's here to build Ghana or he's here with another motive, you know. That's just it. But according to what he has been saying online, that he's not here with a bad motive. But, you know, who am I to even tell Ghanaians what to do? You guys already know what to do now. But all I'm concerned is that you are against the fact that he called himself king. And that's where you guys are having problem with him, right? Somebody, my comment section, I think one of my subscribers was correcting me on how they pronounce king, that it's not king, but it's king. So I don't know. Oh my God, like people, they will not concentrate and know the message someone is giving, but they will concentrate on what, like how the person is pronouncing words. I just want to use this medium to even correct that aspect. Hey, please, If you want to correct me, you should know the kind of word to use in correcting me, okay? If that's how our teachers taught us in school, we are not gonna learn. You need to see the way this guy corrected me. Like, I even had to question him and tell him never to repeat that thing again. So, guys, let's get back to what we were discussing earlier. Yeah. So now I believe in you, Ghanaians. You guys already know what you want, and you know the reason why you are, you don't want this very Igbo king and Nigerians in Ghana. You already know. So I'm not the one to tell you what to do. But, my duty here is to bring out news like this in order for you to watch and maybe have a rethink of your actions, like what you're about to do, so that it will not it not lead to another thing. But all I will tell y'all is everyone should be safe out there. And if you're out for this protest, you should please take care of yourself, okay? Take care of yourself. You know, we love you, we love you, we love you, Ghanaians. We love to be in Ghana, but just in case you guys don't want us in Ghana, like Nigerians, as you are saying, Nigeria must go. We have no choice than to go. But please, I'm begging, give us a little time so we can be able to arrange ourselves and return back to our country. Because, of course, we are not blaming you guys for sending us out, but we are seeing, yes, with proof, what our brothers and sisters are doing here in Ghana. So I don't know. I don't even know what to say again, but let's call this video a wrap. Yeah. So bye bye.